AI chatbot Gemini just got one of its most requested upgrades, and it's a game changer. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for latest tech updates. Starting now, users can upload and process audio files directly in the Gemini app across Android, iOS, and the web. That's right, your meetings, lectures, voice memos, and podcast cuts can now be transcribed, summarized, and analyzed with just a few taps. According to Google VP Josh Woodward, this was the one feature request from users, and Google has finally delivered. Whether you're a student needing notes from a recorded lecture, a journalist breaking down an interview, or just someone trying to make sense of a long voice memo, Gemini now has your back. You'll find the new feature in the File button in the Gemini app. You can upload up to 10 audio files at once or multiple audios with a combined length of 10 minutes. Once uploaded, Gemini can transcribe the audio, summarize the key points, or even help you extract specific pieces of information, like just ask it what was the speaker's final recommendation, and it'll pick that out. This builds on Gemini Live's real-time voice capabilities, but takes things a step further by letting users work with pre-recorded audio. No more re-listening to entire meetings. BC's Gemini will do it for you. Keep in mind, this update is still rolling out, so if you don't see the option yet, it'll be there soon. BTU can check it by uploading an audio file. If Gemini can process it, you're in. If not, you'll know. With this feature, Gemini comes even closer to replacing Google Assistant and maybe even your digital notepad. Do you think this feature is exciting? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.